Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to explore the volume of a sphere. The volume is the amount of space inside a three-dimensional object. A sphere is a mathematical name for a ball-shaped object. Right, so the volume of a sphere is equal to the following formula. Volume is equal to 4 over 3, or 4/3, times pi, times radius to the power of 3. In algebra we don't put the times, so you'll often see it simplified to 4/3 pi r cubed. Alright, example number 1. Calculate the volume of the given sphere. Well, it has a radius of 9 centimeters. So the volume is equal to 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. So we're going to go 4/3 times pi times 9, which is the radius, to the power of 3. I'll grab my calculator. 4 over 3, using my fraction button, times pi times 9 to the power of 3. That gives me 3053.628059. Remember, 9 to the power of 3 is the same as 9 times 9 times 9, so I could have gone 4 over 3 times pi times 9 times 9 times 9. And if my calculator doesn't have a fraction button, I can go 4 divide 3 times pi times 9 times 9 times 9. They'll all give me the same answer, which is 3053.6 centimeters cubed, and I've rounded that sensibly to one decimal place. Example 2. Calculate the volume of the given hemisphere. Well, a hemisphere is half of a sphere. This hemisphere's got a radius of 6 centimeters. So we're going to go 4/3 times pi times radius cubed, and then I'm going to divide it all by 2 to get half. So 4/3 times pi times 6 cubed, because it's got a radius of 6, and divide it all by 2 to get half of the sphere. Grab my calculator. 4 over 3 times pi times 6 to the power of 3, all divided by 2, gives 452.3893421. Again, I could have gone 4/3 times pi times 6 times 6 times 6 divided by 2. Or if I don't have a fraction button, I could have gone 4 divided 3 times pi times 6 times 6 times 6, and then divided it all by 2 to get half. I'm going to round my answer sensibly to 452.4 centimeters cubed, to one decimal place. Right, example 3. Calculate an approximate volume of the Earth, given the diameter of the Earth is about 12,740 kilometers. So here we go again. Volume is equal to 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. We've been given the diameter of the Earth, which is right across the Earth in a straight line. We need the radius in the formula. So we need to take the diameter, 12,740, and divide it by 2 to get a radius of 6,370 kilometers. So we're going to substitute 4/3 times pi times a radius, which is 6,370, to the power of 3. And we're going to get this weird looking number up here. You might recognize that is standard form. We need to change that back to a normal number. So to do that, we're going to write down the number with the decimal point between the 1 and the 0. That plus 12 at the end means to move the decimal point 12 places to the right. So here we go, once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we'll add a 0, 11, add a 0, 12, and add one more 0. Now we can rub out the decimal point and write down a very large number, which is 1,082,696,932,000 square kilometers. Great, thank you very much for watching.